Hello, third graders. Mrs. McMean here again. Before I get started on this last number talk of the year, just wanted to say, on behalf of all of us teachers, we are very proud of all the hard work you've done, especially the end of this year here with the weird way it ended. But we're very proud of you, and yeah, just excited to see you next year and hopefully be together again. So let's go ahead and get started on the number talk. So first, I have a graph here that you can see in your picture on your screen. And I want you to just think about for a minute, what things do you notice about this graph? I'm going to give you a couple seconds. I want you to think about, what do you notice? So I notice a handful of things that you probably also noticed. For example, I noticed that we're talking about different kinds of writing, and that our graph is a picture graph, and that it's showing the number of pages. So, for example, the poems has 2 pages pictured here. But then if I look up here at the key, I'm noticing that each page represents 2 pages. So there's 2 pictures here, but in fact, there's actually going to be 4 pages. That's what's represented here. 4 pages. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our word problem and see exactly what they want us to look for. So it says, Marie has 50 pages in her notebook. She made a graph of the kinds of writing on all the pages she has used so far. How many pages are left in Marie's notebook? Okay. So I'm noticing something that I have to first find out and figure out how many pages she's used so far. I'm going to figure that out first. So if we look over here at the graph, we said that we have 4 poem pages, right? Because each one is 2, so that would be 2, 4. Okay, so let's go to how many pages of reports does she have? She's got 2, 4, 6. Okay. So let's see how many stories she has. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So she has 12 pages of stories. And then for jokes, she has 2, 4, 6. It's the same number of pages she has for reports. Interesting. Let's see how many journal pages she has. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So she has 10 journal pages. So now I need to go through and add up all of these pages. So first of all, I know that 4 plus 6 is going to be 10. So I know 10 and 10 is 20. So if I've 10, 20, and then I know if I add another 10, that's 30 plus 2 more, so that's 32. And then I'm going to add 6 more. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So she has 38 pages so far used up in her notebook. Okay? But they want to know how many pages are left in the notebook. So now we need to subtract those 38 pages from the 50 pages. So I'm going to draw a number line. It's a little bumpy, but that's okay. So if I'm up here, so we know she has 50 pages. And we know if I go 40, 30, 20, let's see. So I know 38, so if this is 35, so 38 is going to be about here, okay? So let me change my color here so we can see it better. I know that if I start at 50, because that's how many pages she had in her notebook, and I go backwards to 40, that's going to be 10. And I know that this is 38, So I know from 38 to 40 is 2. And I know that 10 plus 2 equals 12. So she has 12 pages. Ooh, hard to write on your keyboard. Left in her notebook. Awesome. Well, thank you guys for joining me for our last number talk. I hope you all have a great summer. Bye-bye.